Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in this video, we'll be seeing how to calculate speed of light in different mediums. So I've been using called Sculptor for this, and let's begin. So first off, we need our variables. The first variable I'll be using is speed. Speed in this will be int input. Uh, no, distance. Sorry, it was int input. What is the distance needed to travel by light? So in case you don't know, light travels approximately 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second. And let's put in kilometer. That's it. Oh, I just I forgot the double brackets. Now, what we'll be doing is that we know that speed is 3 times 10 power 8. No, 6 because it's taking kilometer. Then, what as you know, speed equals distance over time. Therefore, time equals distance over speed, right? So, in the description, you'll be seeing the formula. Okay, so you can just refer to that. Time is distance over speed, as I've said. So now time equals distance over speed. In print, light will take this comma, no, close comma, uh, time to travel distance kilometer, and then that's it. So now let's give a I'll do about 20 kilometers. Light will take 0.833. So that's how you make it. And that's it for today's video. Stay curious, stay rational, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to videos in case you have any question. There will be a Google form there, and I'll be solving your questions in the next video, or in, or I'll be responding to you in the comments. If you need any other help, you can, as I said, write in the Google form, and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Stay curious, stay rational. Rashmi is signing off. Meet you in the next time. Thank you.